Because messes happen everywhere you go, you need an R65 cordless stick vacuum from Riccar. I'm Chris, and I'm here to show you just how easy the R65 makes your life. For those O2 fun parties or breakfast on the run, your R65 cordless stick vacuum is charged and ready to go where you go. And its smart sensor dust detection automatically identifies and adjusts suction power to the appropriate level of debris so you can be quick on your feet, in and out, and on to the next thing. And with Riccar's supracyclonic filtration, you gain the confidence you don't get with other cordless vacuums. That allergen particles are controlled because of its 3 stages of cleaning and 2 HEPA media filters. So you can have all the fun without all the headache. Try the R65 cordless stick vacuum for yourself. Head on over to your local retailer. And yes, you can bring the glitter.